my name is Jonathan Nielsen. I'm going into the data analytics spec at Dev Mountain. This is my pantry app. The basic idea of the project that I had is that, well, you generally have a good idea of what's in your pantry. You might not be down to the specifics, so sometimes stuff can get lost in the cracks. And this is just a tool that lets you keep closer care of it. I mean, you could probably just as easily use an Excel spreadsheet, but this is a web page that will do it for you. So here on the home page, you can see that it's cycling through various pictures. These are just some of the recipes that you have loaded up on the app. If you feel like stopping, it cycles randomly. So if you feel like stopping, you hit the pause button, and it won't rotate through anymore. You can take a closer look at the specific recipe that you're looking at. Next, we navigate over to the pantry. In the pantry, we see what's loaded up, and you can increase or decrease the things that are there. You can add a different food item by name or whatever. So let's add some Doritos and say there's 2 of them. Maybe some chicken nuggets, frozen, of course. Package or 2 of those, and then you can see that it will increment over here, and it will persist through refreshes. It's loaded on the back end. And then, of course, if you bring it down to 0, it'll go away. So the next part of the app is the recipes section. And here you can see the recipes that you have already made. So you can, if you want, look at existing ones and see what ingredients and instructions you need for it. You can make adjustments to it on the quantity, or you can enter a completely new recipe. And so if you find yourself, for instance, with this jellofish recipe, thinking you might be better served just eating pure cane sugar, you can just choose to delete that thing altogether like this, and it goes away from your basic app, and you can add something healthier in place of that. So say, for instance, let's do hash browns or something. Hash browns. Then you can add your food. So potatoes, 2 of them. And then let's add something else. Grease. And as you can see as you go, you can just add more and more to it. Then you go ahead and submit this, and that has made it onto our recipes.